Welcome to JMW's Inside Man YouTube channel. My guest is Rebecca Young. Rebecca is a partner and head of the media and reputation management team here at JMW Solicitors. So Rebecca, we've been talking a lot recently about the BBC presenter. That presenter was named as Huw Edwards. Does Mr. Edwards have a legal claim?
You must show as a claimant that a statement has been published in which you are identified that has caused or is likely to cause serious harm. An allegation that an individual has committed a criminal offence is one which is likely to meet that threshold. But Mr. Edwards has a number of potential hurdles for any claim that he may wish to bring. Now, it's really important that we state, Dominic, that Mr. Edwards hasn't come out and spoken about these allegations. He hasn't had the opportunity to do so as of yet. The Met Police has said that it is satisfied to take no further action, and that based upon the information that has been presented to the Met Police, there's nothing to suggest that a criminal offence has been committed. So it's really important to state that in terms of the allegation that have been made and the status of any investigation by the Metropolitan Police. But Mr. Edwards would still face a number of potential hurdles in that, firstly, the Sun did not identify Mr. Edwards, and the Sun has subsequently come out and said that it at no point, and this is a quote, Dominic, at no point in our original story alleged criminality, and also took the decision neither to name Mr. Edwards nor the young person involved in the allegations. So what that means is that a court would be required to look very carefully at what the Sun published, so what was alleged, and the content of those words. So it would have to consider the meaning of what was published by the Sun and whether the ordinary meaning of those words is that a criminal offence might have taken place. The young person at the centre of all of these allegations hasn't been identified, but they did release a statement through their solicitors on Monday evening, and they described the allegations as rubbish. They also said that they had sent a denial to the Sun on the Friday evening. So most of this story broke over the weekend, and it appeared in the Sun's newspaper, the print edition, on the Saturday, and that there was nothing unlawful or inappropriate that had taken place. And that's relevant as well in terms of Mr. Edwards being able to bring a legal action, as it may determine whether the Sun could rely upon a defence such as if there was a public interest in the publication in circumstances where it had proceeded to publish, where the young person had firmly denied the allegations. And there's similar considerations that might arise in an action in privacy where Mr. Edwards was not named. So it's an untested point as to whether a claimant may argue that they were forced to identify themselves by the publication and the way in which the Sun or any newspaper had gone about its reporting. But at present, what is most pressing is Mr. Edwards' health and well-being, and any legal proceedings will be costly, lengthy and demanding on all the resources which may be available.
Rebecca, thank you for your insight. And if you'd like to contact Rebecca and the media and reputation management team here at JMW Solicitors, you can email insideman@jmw.co.uk or call 0161 82 81 999. Please also subscribe to the JMW Inside Man YouTube channel for the latest legal news, hints and tips. I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man.